You can edit the buttonholes the same as you can with all your other stitches. So I'm just going to drag the first buttonhole and just rotate it so that it's up and down more like a buttonhole. And I'm just going to click off it and select it on my sequence bar. I hit my space bar and you'll see that we now have a buttonhole tab. So I'm going to select buttonhole and it shows you the type. You have a zigzag, an E-stitch or a cross stitch. If I wanted to change that buttonhole, how it appears, if I wanted to change the head type to circle, then I need to also change the peak degree to 0. I can change the width of that, I can change the height of it, and I could also change the density if I wanted to. I want to change both the top and the bottom of the buttonhole, so I'm going to change both sides to exactly the same. I'm going to click apply, OK, and now you can see I've generated and the buttonhole has been changed. If I select it again, and this time I'm going to actually change the width of the buttonhole to 3. I'm going to actually change the gap to 0.4. Apply, OK, and generate it. And as you can see, I've widened the gap in the buttonhole. I've also widened that area as well. So play around with that feature until you get the buttonhole that you want, size, etc. So you can have a whole range of different sizes depending on what you're going to use the buttonhole for. You may want to test sew some of these out once you start playing with them.